8 Plans for DIY Wood Countertops. Inspired by the results they got by installing butcher block in their laundry room, this couple decided to tackle the bigger project of installing wood countertops in their kitchen. They take you through the process of measuring, cutting, installing, and conditioning the counters to get a beautiful result. These faux reclaimed wood countertops take new wood and make it look old with a few surprising aging techniques that you won't want to miss. The result is a unique countertop that looks right at home in a farmhouse-style kitchen. It's surprisingly affordable too. The whole project cost less than $400. Instead of sticking to just the kitchen island, this wood countertop plan shows you how to put it all over the kitchen, including the tricky task of cutting the butcher block for an undermount sink. Also included are tips for prepping, sealing, and maintaining the wood counters so they look great for years. It's unbelievable that these wood countertops are so budget-friendly. The secret is that they're simply stained pine boards. Putting the counters in a small space like a butler's pantry is an affordable project that's also fairly simple. The outcome is modern and clean, and you can find all the details on how to get the look over at Designing Vibes. If you want to take an easier route than constructing wood counters, you'll want to check out this plan where they start with butcher block counters from IKEA. There's a video tutorial on how to cut the wood countertops with a circular saw the easy way, as well as a follow-up on how the counters are doing 2 years after the project. Wood countertops are perfect for the laundry room, and since it's a small project, it's a great one if you want to try out how they look before taking on a bigger project like a kitchen. Affordable pine boards are used and then slightly aged to give it a warm feel. This free plan includes how to build, install, stain, and age the counters to get just the look you want. This DIY wood countertop project is for installing a counter in an RV kitchen, but you could use the same techniques to put them anywhere in your home. By making the countertops from pine boards, you'll get a durable counter that looks so much more expensive than it actually is. Every step of the plan is outlined here, including how to measure, cut, stain, and install the counters. These wide plank butcher block countertops will be the envy of everyone you invite over. It looks completely unique but is actually pretty easy to build and fits into most budgets. There are lots of tips and tricks here, so you can really learn from their process so you have smoother results with yours. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.